Welcome back to Jules Math Tools, where math is made easy. In this session, we are adding whole numbers when one of our addends has two digits. And in this example, we're working with questions where regrouping is involved. And if you're ready to see how to sum these numbers, let's get started. So in our example today, we are working with adding our whole numbers when one of our numbers has a two-digit addend. And as always, I will be stacking the numbers so that we can line up our numbers correctly. That is an important part of our practice, regardless of how many numbers we may be adding. So we have 7 being added to 58. My 8 will go underneath my 7 since it's in the ones place, and my 5 will be written in the tens. So we're going to sum these numbers together. 7 will be added to 8, which is 15. We put our 5. The 1 will be carried above the 5 in the front column. And now we will add 1 plus 5, which would equal to 6. So the sum of our numbers is 65. In our next example, we're adding 69 plus 83. My 3 is in the 1, so this will line up underneath my 9. My 8 is in the 10, so this will align underneath my 6. Let's sum our numbers together. We have 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12. Our 2 will be written at the back, and we will carry the 1 to the front column. So we have 8 plus 6, which is equal to 14, and 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. And since we do not have any other numbers to sum, the entire 15 will be written in. So the sum of our numbers is 152. In our next example, we are summing 297 plus 76. 6 will be written in the ones column underneath 7, and 7 will be written in the tens column underneath our 9. We're now going to sum our numbers together. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. The 3 will be written in the ones column, and the 1 will be carried to the tens column. So we have 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. So I'll write my 7 and carry the 1. So you have 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the sum of our numbers is 373. In this example, we now have 6,093 being added to 47. 7 will be written in the ones, and our 4 will be written in the tens underneath the 9. We're going to now sum our numbers together. 3 will be added to 7, which is equal to 10. We'll put our 0 and carry the 1 to the front column. 1 plus 9 is 10, and 10 plus 4 will equal to 14. So we'll put our 4 and we'll carry our 1. We now have 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1, and we will bring our 6 down for a sum of 6,140. In our last example, we're adding 98 to 24,929. My 9 will be written underneath my 8. My 2 will be written underneath my 9. And the remaining digits will be written in front of each other. Remember that the important thing is to make sure you do not skip any digits the way I almost did just now. So make sure that all of your numbers are written in and they are written in the correct position. So we have 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. We'll put our 7 behind and carry the 1 to the front column. We have 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 plus 2 will equal to 12. We're writing our 2 and carry the 1 to our hundreds column. So we have 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. We'll write our 0 behind and carry the 1 to the thousands column. So of 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, and we'll bring down our 2 for a sum of 25,027. Okay, so there you have it. We just sum our whole numbers when one of the addends has 2 digits and regrouping was involved. As always, remember to practice, practice, practice to develop your skill and become a better mathematician. And until next time, this is Jules Math Tools, where we aim to make math easy.